How to fix FPL app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, then you can switch to your cellular data as well. After that, all you have to do is go to the Play Store and check if you have an updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, we have an updated version of the application on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the application, which will lead us to this option. So just tap on app info and it will lead you to a new page. Now you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on that, you'll be having two options of clear cache and delete all data. So just make sure to delete all data if it's possible. If not, you can tap on clear cache only. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you've toggled on all the required options like camera, files and media, and microphone. After that, tap to power button and reboot your device and the app might start working. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.